effectively an urban oasis where people can walk around and enjoy nature away from the hustle and bustle of the DC swamp.
Don't worry about me. I was born before 1997 and follow all the rules. I only get my produce at Wegmans.
Green Spring Gardens is a perfect place to bring a date. And the gazebo is the best spot to tell her how you feel about her. And she will tell you she doesn't feel the same because you don't make enough money. Welcome to modern times, men.
This is practical public policy. Let's get ready for big statement time.
That's the kind of public charity that's good for everybody. Give them food, don't give them checks.
Watch check time. I'm wearing the Hamilton khaki King Field.
It's no secret, I like gardens. I'm wearing a corduroy blazer with a 4-inch lapel, and that's a change you can believe in. Outside of the main area is the Virginia Native Plant Garden. Be sure to go for a walk. You'll need it. After she tells you the hypergamy has excluded you from finding a mate. Okay.
And now for an uncomfortable truth.
Being near the water really helps soothe the soul for the fact that since we left the gold standard, it's almost impossible for a man to support a family on a single income.
I like to go here and think about how awesome it is being single. A single man is a man that is divorce-proof. And now another big statement.
There was a mother hanging out by the pond with a baby in a stroller, and I know what you're thinking, how oppressive. I'm sure she would much prefer to be in an office coding. This is an old ruin. It's on the map. When you get here, it's just a stone foundation, because that's what a ruin is. What did you expect? Green Spring Gardens in summation. Yes, come here, look at flowers. You don't gotta do all this type A 1, 2, 3, 4 nonsense. Hang out, read a book, enjoy the day, enjoy the time you have. Okay.